Buckle up, code warriors. On-Demand I.O. just dropped a silicon bombshell that's about to turn the software development world on its head. This isn't your grandma's AI. We're talking about a digital Einstein that eats bugs for breakfast and spits out clean code faster than you can say runtime error. You're knee-deep in a coding marathon, caffeine coursing through your veins, when suddenly, bam, On-Demand I.O.'s AI swoops in like a digital superhero. It's not just another fancy autocomplete. This bad boy is the Swiss Army knife of coding, packing more features than a Stack Overflow thread on steroids. Let's break it down, byte by byte. This AI isn't just smart. It's got a PhD in every programming language known to mankind, and probably a few known only to aliens. We're talking about an algorithm so advanced, it makes quantum computing look like elementary school math. But here's where it gets wild. This AI doesn't just code. It thinks. It's like having a genius programmer peering over your shoulder. Except this one doesn't smell like energy drinks and desperation. It analyzes your code faster than you can blink, spotting potential bugs that would make even the most seasoned developer break out in a cold sweat. And the integration? Smoother than a freshly waxed keyboard. Whether you're Team Visual Studio or a die-hard Vim veteran, this AI slides into your workflow like it's been there all along. It's the coding equivalent of finding the perfect pizza topping. It just works. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about writing code, it's about revolutionizing the entire development lifecycle. Imagine an AI that can predict project bottlenecks before they happen, optimize your database queries to lightning speed, and generate documentation so clear it makes technical writers obsolete. Let's talk numbers, because who doesn't love a good statistic? Early tests show a whopping 40% reduction in development time. That's not just impressive, it's jaw-dropping, mind-blowing. I can't believe it's not butter level of amazing. We're talking about shaving weeks off project timelines, turning month-long sprints into casual jogs. But it's not all sunshine and semicolons. With great power comes great responsibility, and On-Demand I.O. isn't taking this lightly. They've baked in more ethical considerations than a philosophy major's thesis. This AI is so secure it makes Fort Knox look like a piggy bank. Your code is safer than a secret recipe in a vault inside a volcano. Now, let's get real for a second. Some of you might be thinking, but what about my job? Is this AI going to replace me? Fear not, fellow coders. This isn't about replacing developers. It's about supercharging them. It's like giving Iron Man his suit. You're still the hero, but now you've got some seriously cool tech backing you up. The possibilities are mind-boggling. Imagine debugging a 1,000-line function in seconds or generating entire test suites with a single command. This AI could turn junior developers into coding prodigies overnight. It's not just changing the game, it's inventing a whole new sport. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. On-Demand I.O. is already hinting at future updates that could make this current version look like a pocket calculator. We're talking about AI that could potentially design entire systems from a simple description or predict market trends to guide product development. The impact on education alone is staggering. Computer science students could have an AI tutor that adapts to their learning style, providing personalized coding challenges and real-time feedback. It's like having a personal coding sensei, minus the cryptic wisdom and questionable facial hair. In the enterprise world, this could be the great equalizer. Small startups could suddenly compete with tech giants, leveraging AI to build complex systems that would have previously required armies of developers. It's David versus Goliath, but David's packing some serious technological heat. Of course, there are challenges. Keeping the AI up to date with the latest programming trends and languages is like trying to hit a moving target while riding a unicycle. And there's always the risk of over-reliance. We don't want developers forgetting how to code without their AI sidekick. But the potential benefits far outweigh the risks. We're standing on the brink of a new era in software development, where the limits are set not by our coding skills, but by our imagination. It's a brave new world of ones and zeros, and On-Demand I.O.'s AI is leading the charge. Let's dive deeper into some specific features that make this AI a game changer. First up, its code generation capabilities. We're not talking about simple snippets here. This AI can generate entire functions, classes, and even basic applications from natural language descriptions. It's like having a Babel fish for programming languages. The debugging prowess of this AI is equally impressive. It doesn't just find bugs, it understands them. It can explain in plain English why a piece of code is failing, suggest multiple solutions, and even implement the fix for you. It's like having a seasoned debugger on speed dial 24/7. But it's not just about fixing what's broken. This AI is all about optimization. It can analyze your codebase and suggest refactoring opportunities to improve performance, readability, and maintainability. It's like having a code reviewer that never gets tired, never misses a detail, and always has your back. The AI's learning capabilities are perhaps its most exciting feature. As developers use it, it learns from their coding styles, preferences, and common patterns. Over time, it becomes a personalized coding assistant, anticipating your needs and adapting to your unique workflow. It's like having a digital clone of yourself, but one that never needs sleep or coffee breaks. Security is another area where this AI shines. It can perform real-time security analysis as you code, flagging potential vulnerabilities before they make it into production. Like having a cybersecurity expert looking over your shoulder, but one that doesn't judge you for your variable naming conventions. The implications for team collaboration are huge. This AI can help standardize coding practices across large teams, ensuring consistency and reducing the time spent on code reviews. It can even facilitate knowledge sharing by explaining complex pieces of code in simple terms, making it easier for new team members to get up to speed. In the world of DevOps, this AI is a dream come true. It can automate deployment process, optimize container configurations, and even predict potential issues in your infrastructure before they cause downtime. It's like having a crystal ball for your production environment. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of this AI is its potential to democratize software development. With its ability to generate code from natural language inputs, it could make programming accessible to people who've never written a line of code in their lives. Imagine a world where anyone with an idea can bring it to life without needing years of coding experience. As we look to the future, the possibilities seem endless. Could we see AI-driven software that evolves and improves itself over time? Might we reach a point where the majority of code is written by AI, with humans focusing solely on high-level design and creative problem-solving? One thing's for sure, the software development landscape is changing rapidly, and on-demand IO's AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Whether you're a seasoned developer or coding newbie, this technology has the potential to supercharge your abilities and open up new realms of possibility. So, are you ready to embrace the AI-powered future of software development? The code is calling, and it's never looked so good. Time to level up your skills, rethink your processes, and join the revolution. The future of coding is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more exciting than ever before. Let's write the next chapter of software development together, one AI-assisted line at a time.